guys, it's Sophie from the 16 on Angel's channel. It's Girly Girl or Tomboy. So let's get started. So please welcome Girly Girl. Hey y'all, I'm Girly Girl. I love necklace and sleeveless. So let's remove stuff. And I will tell you what I want, my hobbies, and others. Okay? First thing, I love modeling and photo shoots. So here's some photo shoots that I have. One, two, three. Second thing I want is dancing. Yeah. Third thing I had some I didn't want, so I don't want playing some balls. It's like boring. It's a toy. Third thing, I always speak English because I don't want some balls. Really hate speaking English. Yeah. Fourth thing, I want to have a Starbucks. So let's get some Starbucks. Let's go. I'll just have Starbucks. So that's my Starbucks. And next thing, I want to wear some sandals or high heel slippers. And sometimes when I post someone, I'm gonna say, Columbus Mr. Oops, hello? That's. Please vote me to be your winner in this Girly Girl and Tomboy. And back to me, Sophie. Let's welcome Tomboy. Hi. I'm Tomboy Girl. I'm the Tomboy. Yeah. That Girly Girl, Alexa, me, Sanda, is really cool. If you just being Tomboy, it's really cool. Because you have some fun. Yeah. So please vote me. I will tell you what is my habits. I just want habits that I have. So let me see. And guess I'm playing this one. But sometimes I like dancing. I love dancing hip hop. Yeah, so please vote me. You're not that pretty girl, just me. So please vote me. Tomboy Girl, Tomboy, Tomboy, be Sanda. So back to Sophie. So back to me, Sophie. Yeah, back to normal. So if you want to vote, girly girl or tomboy, please vote now for our role. You will have a day with it. So thanks for watching this video on Angels Together. Please vote.